since its establishment in 2010, Jiangmen Wohao Import and Export Company Limited has been deeply engaged in the fields of cookware and outdoor products. The factory covers an area of 20,000 square meters, with over 200 employees working together, and enjoys convenient transportation. From stainless steel cookware sets to outdoor cooking utensils and outdoor gas stoves, its diverse product line meets global demands. We write with innovation as the pen and quality as the ink, meticulously manufacturing in accordance with international standards. Our well-equipped automatic facilities and excellent quality control processes throughout all stages production guarantees total customer satisfaction. We hold recognized certifications such as BSCI, AISO, CSA, and CE. These certifications demonstrate our strong commitment to delivering top-quality products. The fully automated equipment operates efficiently with a monthly production capacity of over 200,000 pieces and 60 high-capacity containers for stable output. With outstanding products and considerate after-sales services, the products are sold well in Europe, Asia, and Africa. We look forward to working with you to jointly draw a blueprint for commercial win-win cooperation.